By the end of this video, you're going to have a solid understanding of lists in Python, one of the most useful tools for storing and organizing data. So let's jump right into our first example. First, let's create a simple list of fruits. Imagine you're making a shopping list in Python. You just list out your favorite fruits and voila, you have a collection ready to use. Lists are super handy for keeping items together in a single variable. Next, we'll explore how to access elements in a list. Lists are ordered, which means each item has a position or index. By using these indexes, you can pick out exactly what you need, like getting the first color or the last one in a palette. Now, what if you want to change an item in your list? Maybe you thought 20 was too small in your number list, so you replace it with 100. Lists are flexible, allowing you to update values easily without creating a new list from scratch. Sometimes you'll want to add something new. The append method is perfect for that. Whether it's a city you want to visit or an extra item for your collection, you can just append it to the end of your list in a snap. But maybe you want to place something in a specific spot. That's where inserting comes in. You can pick exactly where your new item should go, like putting a rabbit right between a cat and a dog in your animal list. Of course, sometimes you need to remove things too. If you change your mind about food choices, the remove method lets you delete a specific item from your list quickly. And if you just want to remove the last thing you added, pop is your best friend. It takes out the last item, and you can even see what was removed, which is great for keeping track of changes. Lists can also tell you how many items you have. Using the length function, you instantly know how big your collection is, whether it's pens, books, or anything else. Want to check if something is in your list? Python makes it simple. You can ask your list if it contains a certain name or item, and it will tell you true or false. It's like having a little assistant double check your inventory for you. In the next video, we'll dive even deeper and learn about list slicing, which lets you grab parts of a list quickly and efficiently. So stay tuned and let's keep learning Python together.